Hello and welcome to the review of Transformers Prime Beast Hunters Ratchet. As usual, we are starting out with the packaging. Here we have a picture of Predaking, Ratchet himself, a picture of Ratchet in his vehicle mode, and look, it comes with the spinning dragon shredder drill. I wonder if it has anything to do with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Anyway, on to the rest of the packaging. On this side, we see his technical data and a mugshot of the toy. His strength 6, intelligence 9, speed 6, endurance 8, rank 8, courage 7, fire blast 5, and skill 10. This is his technical data for Autobot Ratchet. On to the rest of the box packaging. Back here we have the obligatory product shot of his vehicle and his robot form. A very short bio and spinning dragon shredder drill. And the team. And of course, Autobot logo and Transformers Prime logo. The dedicated Autobot scientist is through hiding in his lab. He's almost up and ready to take the fight to the Predacons. On with the rest of the box. On this side we have nothing. And on the bottom we have Skystalker, Dreadwing, Bulkhead, and the barcode doing barcodey stuff. And that is it for the packaging. Now let's open him up and see how cool he really is. Here we have Beast Hunters Ratchet, and he comes with a weapon. This thing, it doesn't spin too well if you just push the button. I personally like to spin it by hand. It goes a lot faster. You can separate it, and it reveals a gun. A Gatling gun. I guess you like hold it like that. Nope, it doesn't work. I guess I'll spin it by hand. Onto the actual vehicle itself. Well, this is a remold of the Transformers Prime Robots in Disguise Ratchet figure. And for a comparison, here he is. Well, they look slightly different. This one's just a remold, but I really like this right here, where this one doesn't. I like the paint job of this one, where this one doesn't. This one's more like this one's an ambulance, but this one's more of a different type of ambulance. Like it's hard to explain. And the back, it's also different. This one, for some reason, reminds me of Back to the Future, like something like a motor a flying motor. Just needs some wings. Oh, yeah, just needs some wings. This side and the front. One thing that I don't really like about the Beast Hunters one is that they took away the tint, so you can clearly see the legs and all the inner parts of it. But in this one, at least you have some sort of tint. This one has like tusk in the front, like rams into things. And the bottoms Well, the bottoms are... No. Beast Hunter's one is slightly taller when you stand him up like this. I guess like ram into this one. Well, he rolls, as rolling things should. One thing I do like that they added is places to put the pegs on the side. So I guess you could put his weapon here, like so. Be like, I'm gonna drill into you, or here. I guess that one doesn't really work out so well. You can also add the robots in disguise weapons onto here, so... Oh look, now he has wings. He can now fly. Well, on to transformation. Their transformation is both the same for the robots in disguise and for the beast hunters, but let's transform them anyways. To transform them, first we take this apart like so, like that, and again with the other side. And we bring this up like this. Now it looks like a broken ambulance. Looks like a swing. Then we bring this up. Okay. Work with me, leg. Work with me. Work with me. Okay, there. Got it. And you bring this up. Like so. Okay. Take it apart, pull it apart. Bring the feet down. Swing them down like that. Fold the foot like down first. And do that. Oh yeah, you finally came down. Yay. Now the other side. Come on down. Yes. There we have his legs. Now, for the top, we open this up. And that's not supposed to happen. Well, having technical difficulties here. Have to take it off the camera. Just in the meantime, I'll fix it. Okay, fixed it. I think. Yeah. And you pull it apart like that, but don't actually pull it out so hard that it actually comes off. Bring the hand down, and put it back in like so. The same with the other arm. And it popped off. More technical difficulties, people. Okay, so I guess just do this. Once again, I'll go off camera just to fix it. Go in. Okay, there we go. And just accordion it in. Oh, bring the hand out before you do that. Like so. And we're almost there, people. Very close. Bring this part down like so, and the head comes off automatically. It pops up, and there we have Beast Hunter's Ratchet. For a comparison, here is the other Ratchet. They are actually both the same size. Okay, there we go. They're both the same size. Okay, so this one has the Autobot logo on his shoulder and a different scheme. This one, his face looks like a mad scientist type. He even has a monocle, people. Doesn't that make you just say he's an evil scientist? Evil. His light piping is not that great. But everything else... Oh, yes. His hands... They look like they have the knife thing that the first one had. Which was this thing. You just put his hand down. That. I guess you could do it with this one too, since the weapons are compatible. There. And that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool, people. A knife on a knife. My only nitpick about this one is the tinting on the windows, but other than that, pretty good figure, pretty good remold. Let's put this away for now. Give me that Ratchet. For his mobility, 360 arms, legs, he can do that, some mobility on the foot, his waist, and his head. Not really, not that much on his head. But that's Transformers Prime, Beast Hunters, Ratchet. This is Dirk Devlin 101, signing off. Thank you for watching.